nowhere. So
yeah, you don't feel that bad. So I was gonna say, yeah, I could just almost pick. So if I don't feel much on the upper cervical, a lot of times most people have it around T1, that kind of area. So if I were to want to do T1 with the Kiso oscillations, I can go onto T1 this way, and then it's almost like Kiso oscillations. Or if I were to adjust it, I would go here, like that. Okay?
Yeah.
Same thing. I'm just doing T1 on both sides. I can do Kiso oscillations, which is, it's good. And then if you want a little bit more, you can. Are you okay?
Yeah, I feel great.
Does that help?
Okay.
I just can't
I feel great.
I just see it's just kind of embarrassing to feel so good.